This isn't Formula One. Amateur racing is so much more.
We had people from all walks of life, from age 14 on up to drivers in their 80s, grandfathers who are still wicked fast.
Amateur racing is radically different from professional sports. Drivers, they're not funded by energy drink or big bank. One guy, one gal, wrenching on a car, working away all year just to get here.
Some people would call this an entry class. I call that bullshit. The amount of prep, time, work, training, driving, tires, all we're missing between the pros and us is they found somebody to pay them, and we just haven't yet.
This is like a year's worth of work. Takes a lot to get here, you know?
If you give some of the top amateur racers the chance in a pro racing field, they'd beat the shit out of some of those guys.
Who I am at the track is who I'm meant to be.
When I bought my first track car, my mom did not speak to me for about 2 months.
Doesn't matter what skin color, if you're male, if you're female, it is just who is going to get to the finish line first.
When I lost the function in my legs, I kind of thought that my life was over. I thought I was going to sit on the couch and cry for the rest of my life. Racing gave me my life back.
Every amateur racer has a story. Subscribe to Amateur Racer and join us for more on-track content.